Today, you are about to watch an unbelievable old car transformation. This rusty and damaged vehicle was completely abandoned, but now it's going to turn into a stunning masterpiece. This car had been sitting for years in terrible condition. Broken body parts, rust everywhere, and a dead engine. Most people thought it was nothing but scrap, but real restoration begins where others give up. First, all damaged and rusty parts were removed. The body was repaired carefully, new metal sheets were installed, and the car slowly started coming back to life. Now it was time for the engine rebuild. The old engine was fully opened. Every single part was inspected, cleaned, repaired, and assembled again for powerful performance. Finally, the car received a fresh premium paint job. The transformation is absolutely incredible. It's hard to believe this is the same old rusty car. If you enjoyed this amazing restoration video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more epic car transformation videos.